Here's a quick look at one of the best looking classic cars of all time and most functional as well. The first official high volume Japanese sports car was the Datsun 240Z. And this is a perfect, beautiful example. And here's another perfect, beautiful example with the hood up so we can see just exactly what's under there. The styling is kind of reminiscent of Jaguar. Jaguar probably could have sued them for the shape, though I think, honestly, I think Datsun did a better job with the shape than Jaguar. I really like the angles on it. And that big long silver thing under the hood is a 2.4 liter straight six that makes 150 horsepower. There is room for a V8 in here, so some people did do V8 conversions, and there you go. You've got all the instructions you need written there on the airbox. And if we go to the back, it is a super functional hatchback as well. So if you want to haul lumber and furniture, you have a chance. Small lumber and small furniture, that is, if you pop open the hatchback and get in there. But there's just a look at the classic lines. Like, that's such a beautiful car from every single angle. Get in the Z, 240Z. And it was way more reliable than anything coming out of England that would be a similar size and performance. So that's the real benefit, was you get a reliable, functional car that you can just drive the heck out of that's not going to break. Factory wooden steering wheel there. This one has a 5-speed. The original one, 1971s, came with a 4-speed, but some markets had a 5-speed, so I'm not sure where this one's from. Full set of gauges, AM radio for want to listen to talk radio while you're driving with your wooden steering wheel. So, greatest car of all time? I don't know. It's on the list.